Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop. So, for example, you can open YouTube via browser. It's ordinary. Everyone can do it, but for your information, you can download the app. You can install the app of YouTube here. So you can, if you see this youtube.com and try to see on this icon, you can click. This will install YouTube app into your laptop or into your PC. You can click install. Here we go. Now YouTube is on your PC. No need open your Google Chrome, no need open your browser. Just close it, and this is the YouTube app installed on your PC. You can double click, and this is the YouTube app. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.